Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we are going to see Amazon's behavioral interview round questions and how you can prepare about it. What are behavioral questions that are being very regularly asked in Amazon's interview, right? Be it from SDE to product manager or different profile, whichever profile you are applying for, it is for sure that you will definitely be asked for behavioral question in your interview. Also, you need to know the leadership principles based on which you can answer your behavioral questions in your interview. So without delaying much, let's start with our video. So first of all, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe it. If you are new to the channel, you can check the playlist section of our channel where we have uploaded different interview preparation related videos. Also, if you feel that this video has helped you in some way, please give it a like. Also share it with your friends who can get benefited by these videos. So let's start with today's video now. So what is Amazon behavioral questions basically? So what is the behavioral interview at Amazon basically? Amazon uses behavioral interviews to assess job candidates based on their past experiences. These questions typically start with tell me about a time you. Basically you have to give the answer from your past experience, okay, and focus on soft skills such as leadership, communication, teamwork, problem solving, etc. So you have to answer in such a way that you showcase these kinds of skills to the interviewer, that is leadership, communication, teamwork, and so on. So in Amazon's case, there will be an emphasis on 16 leadership principles, which we'll dive into a bit later of this video. These questions will appear at every step of the interview process at Amazon. They may even appear as icebreaker or transition questions during technical screens. Let's move ahead now and let's see what does Amazon look for in a candidate. Okay, so learning and demonstrating your adherence to their leadership principles is the key to landing your job at Amazon. Interviewers, like the bar raisers, are frequently assigned one or multiple leadership principles to focus on per round, meaning that you'll encounter them at every stage, or very frequently you will be encountering such kinds of leadership principles based questions. There are even reports of interviewers asking candidates to recite each principle from memory. So sometimes like in the past, some interviewers have also asked to tell about what a particular leadership principle is. Okay, so that is also very much important. So thus, to prepare at least one practical example from your past that demonstrate each principle. As you may be asked more than one question on a given principle, it is recommended crafting a few flex stories that you can apply to different principles. So basically what you have to do is, according to different principles or behavioral behavioral principles or leadership principles, you have to prepare one story for yourself. Okay, so whenever you are being asked about that leadership principle, you can say your story for attached to that leadership principle. Let's see further. So these are the 16 leadership principles that Amazon has. Let's see them one by one. So the leadership principles are customer obsession, ownership, bias for action, have backbone, disagree and commit, invent and simplify, dive deep, are right a lot, deliver results, think big, hire and develop the best, frugality, learn and be curious, insist on highest standards, earn trust, strive to be the earth's best employer, success and scale bring broad responsibility. So these are some of the leadership principles of Amazon. Now we are going to see what does each leadership principle tells us in detail. So the first leadership principle is customer obsession. So what is customer obsession? Leaders start with the customer and work backwards. They work vigorously to earn and keep customer trust. Although leaders pay attention to competitors, they obsess over customers. Next is ownership. Leaders are owners. They think long term and don't sacrifice long term value for short term results. They act on behalf of the entire company beyond just their own team. They never say that's not my job. So this is meant by ownership. Okay, so what we are doing now is we are understanding each leadership principle, and further in the video we are going to see some questions based on each leadership principles, so that will help you in your upcoming Amazon interview. So let's see the next now. Invent and simplify. Leaders expect and require innovation and invention from their teams and always find ways to simplify. They are externally aware, look for new ideas from everywhere, and are not limited by new invented here. Because we do new things, we accept that we may be misunderstood for long periods of time. Next is are right a lot. Leaders are right a lot. They have strong judgments and good instincts. They seek diverse perspectives and work to confirm their beliefs. Moving on to the next Amazon's leadership principle, learn and be curious. Leaders are never done learning and always seek to improve themselves. They are curious about new possibilities and act to explore them. Next principle is hire and develop the best. Leaders raise their performance bar with every hire and promotion. They recognize exceptional talent and willingly move them throughout the organization. Leaders develop leaders and take seriously their role in coaching others. We work on behalf of our people to invent mechanisms for developing like career choice. So this was about hire and develop best principle. Next principle is insist on the highest standards. Leaders have relentlessly high standards. Many people may think these standards are unreasonably high. Leaders are continuously raising the bar and drive their teams to deliver high quality products, services and processes. Leaders ensure that defects do not get sent down the line and that problems are fixed, so they stay fixed. Let's see few more Amazon leadership principles. Think big. Thinking small is a self-fulfilling prophecy. Leaders create and communicate a bold direction that inspire results. They think differently and look around corners for ways to serve customers. Now in the upcoming or the next few slides, what we are going to discuss is how you can answer for each leadership principle. But before that, we need to understand what is the meaning of each leadership principle. So let's continue now. Bias for action. Speed matters in business. Many decisions and actions are reversible and do not need extensive study. We value calculated risk taking. Fragility. Accomplish more with less. Constraint beats resourcefulness, self-sufficiency and invention. There are no extra points for growing headcount, budget size or fixed expense. Next leadership principle is earn trust. Leaders listen attentively, speak candidly and treat others respectfully. They are vocally self-critical even when doing so is awkward or embarrassing. Leaders do not believe their or their team's body odor, smells or perfume. They benchmark themselves and their teams against the best. Dive deep. Leaders operate at all levels, stay connected to the details, audit frequently and are skeptical when metrics and anecdote differ. No task is beneath them. Next principle is have backbone, disagree and commit. Leaders are obligated to respectfully challenge decisions when they disagree. Even when doing so is uncomfortable or exhausting, leaders have conviction and are tenacious. They do not compromise for the sake of social cohesion. Once a decision is determined, they commit wholly. Next leadership principle is deliver results. Leaders focus on the key inputs for their business and deliver them with the right quality and in a timely fashion. Despite setbacks, they rise to the occasion and never settle. Next principle is strive to be the earth's best employer. Leaders work every day to create a safer, more productive, higher performing, more diverse and more just work environment. They lead with empathy, have fun at work and make it easy for others to have fun. Leaders ask themselves, are my fellow employees growing? Are they empowered? Are they ready for what's next? Leaders have a vision for commitment to their employees' personal success, whether that be at Amazon or elsewhere. So these are all the qualities of leaders. Basically what we are discussing is leadership principles that Amazon offers. The last leadership principle is success and scale bring broad responsibility. We started in a garage, but we are not there anymore. We are big, we impact the world and we are far from perfect. We must be humble and thoughtful about even the secondary effects of our actions. Our local communities, planet and future generations need us to be better every day. We must begin each day with a determination to make better, do better, and be better for our customers, our employees, our partners, and the world at large. And we must end every day knowing we can do even more tomorrow. Leaders create more than they consume and always leave things better than how they found them. So these are all the properties of leaders, and you can also see that the last principle states that what are the qualities for a leader to be success and scale their responsibilities. As they always say that every day at Amazon is a day one, right? So you when you start your day at Amazon, it should be like you have just joined the company. Okay, so that much, with that much enthusiasm you should work, right? So let's move ahead and see each leadership principle in detail and what all are the questions that you can expect on each leadership principle. So the first leadership principle that we have is customer obsession. So we have already seen what is meant by customer obsession. So in the inverted quotes you can see for your reference what is meant by customer obsession or what is meant by any particular leadership principle in general. I'm not going to read that again, but we are going to discuss further about it. So these questions are all about empathy. Interviewers want to see that you understand the consequences that every decision has on customer experience. You need to know who the customer is as well as their underlying needs. So let's see the questions now one by one. So one of the questions for customer obsession can be, tell me about a time you failed at work. What did you learn from it? Okay, so this is one of the very most common and one of the mostly asked question of Amazon's leadership, based on Amazon's leadership principle. Okay, tell me about a time you failed at work. So you can answer by, so for all the questions about leadership principle, you should take an approach of STAR method, where S stands for situation, T stands for task, A stands for action, and R stands for results. So you should answer your question accordingly by giving the real life example. Okay, so you should tell them a time when you have failed at your work and what did you learn from those failure of yours. Okay, so let's see the next question that can be asked on customer obsession. Tell me about a challenge you faced. What was your role and the outcome? Moving on to the next one. Tell me about a time you disagreed with a co-worker or manager or decision. So you should give real life examples for all these questions. So that is why in the starting of the video we have discussed that you should always prepare some real life examples with respect to each leadership principle. So that will be very much helpful for you. Moving on to the next one. Tell me about a time you had to work or make decisions quickly under a tight deadline. Let's see the next leadership principle, which is ownership. So leaders are owners. They think long term and don't sacrifice long term values for short term results. They act on the behalf of the entire company beyond just their own team. They never say that's not my job. To work at Amazon, you can't be a person who thinks that's not my job when facing a task that needs to get done. When answering ownership questions, you'll want to prove that you take initiative, can make tough decisions, and accept responsibility for your mistakes. Tell me about a time you failed at work. What did you learn from it? So this was basically one of the questions that was a part of customer obsession. Now from this one, we are going to see the questions based on ownership. Tell me about a time you did something at work that wasn't your responsibility in your job description. So you have to give them a example where you have done something which was not under your task list, but still you have performed that work. Moving on to the next question. Tell me about a time when you went over and above your job responsibility in order to help the company. The next question can be, tell me about a time when you had to make an important decision without approval from your boss. And the next question can be, how would you make Amazon.com better? So for all these questions, you can see they might sound very common or very vague questions, but believe me, these are very important with respect to your interview rounds, because we have seen many people getting rejected in their interviews because of leadership principles, or because they have not properly answered the leadership questions, or they have failed the behavioral interview round. So please prepare accordingly. Let's now move on to the next principle, which is bias for action. Speed matters in business. Many decisions and actions are reversible and do not need extensive study. We value calculated risk taking. Amazon likes to learn by doing, with an eye on results over user projections and research. This is a part of what helps them act quickly and ship their products to the customer as fast as they do. So your interviewer will want you to see that you can take calculated risk and move things forward. So basically your interviewer wants to know that you can take some risk and you can move the things forward by taking risk. So let's see the questions based on this principle. Tell me about a time you had to change your approach because you were going to miss a deadline. Tell me about a time you had to make an urgent decision without the data. What was the impact? That would you do anything differently? And what would you do anything differently basically? So you have to answer all of these questions with a real life example. So that will be the most appropriate way for answering these questions. Next one is, tell me about a time when you launched a feature without known risks. The next question can be, did you come across a scenario where the deadline gives to you for a project was earlier than expected? How did you deal with it and what was the result or the outcome that you got out of it? Moving on to the next principle, have backbone, disagree and commit. Leaders are obliged to respectfully challenge decisions when they disagree, even when doing so is uncomfortable or exhausting. Leaders have conviction and are tenacious. They do not compromise for the sake of social cohesion. Once a decision is determined, they commit wholly. Any group of smart leaders will disagree at some point. Your interviewer will want to see you that you know when to challenge ideas and escalate problems to senior leadership if necessary. At the same time, they want to know that you can sense the right time to move forward regardless of your disagreements. Show that you are capable of striking that balance. So the questions that can be based on this principle is, tell me about a time you had a conflict with a coworker or manager and how you approached it. Tell me about a time you had conflict with your team but decided to go ahead with their proposal. So in spite of having the conflict, how did you manage to go along with their proposal? You have to answer this question. Tell me about a time your work was criticized. So you have to take your criticism also in a positive way. Moving on to the next question now. The next principle is invent and simplify. Leaders expect and require innovation and invention from their teams and always finds way to simplify. They are extremely aware, look for new ideas from everywhere and are not limited by not invented here. Because we do new things, we accept that we may be misunderstood for long periods of time. In everything it does, Amazon aims to foster a culture of innovation. Answering, invent and simplify questions is an opportunity to show your ability to create solutions when there is no obvious answer. You'll also want to show that you know how to execute big ideas as simply and as cheaply as possible. Tell me about a time you solved a big problem in your company. Tell me about a time when you had a plan but ran into some obstacle. What did you do about it? Tell me about a time you redesigned a process and why. What is the most innovative idea you ever had? So these were some of the questions based on invent and simplify leadership principle. Moving on to the next leadership principle that we have, dive deep. Leaders operate at all levels, stay connected to the details, audit frequently and are skeptical when metrics and anecdote differ. No task is beneath them. When something isn't working, Amazon employees need to be able to find the solutions quickly. Interviewers want to see that you are excited to dive deep and work out a durable response when problems arise. Tell me about a time when you use a lot of data in a short period of time. So you have to answer that, how you make use of data in order to solve a problem in a very less time. Tell me about a project in which you had to dive deep into the analysis. Tell me about the most complex problem you have ever worked on. Moving on to the next leadership principle, which is are right a lot. Leaders are right a lot. They have strong judgmental and good instincts. They seek diverse perspectives and work to disconfirm their beliefs. Amazon expects its employees to produce solutions as quickly as possible and to be capable of making decisions with little information. Show that you know how to take calculated risks and that you are comfortable disapproving your own opinions before moving ahead. When describing past failures, show that what you have learned from those failures. So tell me a time when you were faced with a problem that had a number of possible solutions. What was the problem and how did you determine the course of action? What was the outcome of it? Tell me about a time you applied judgment to a decision when data was not available to you. Tell me about a time that you failed at work. Tell me about how you deal with ambiguity in your work. So moving on to the next principle, deliver results. Leaders start with the customer and work backwards. They work vigorously to earn and keep customers' trust. Although leaders pay attention to competitors, they obsess over customers. These questions are all about empathy. Interviewers want to see that you understand the consequences that every decision has on customer experience. You need to know what the customer is as well as their underlying needs. So the questions that can be based on deliver results leadership principle are: tell me about the most challenging project you have ever worked on. Tell me about a time when you had to handle pressure. Tell me about a time when you had 2 deadlines at the same time. How did you manage your situation in that scenario? How do you prioritize tasks in your current role? So these all are basically the questions based on deliver results. So how perfectly you deliver your results, or if you've come across any problems, how do you handle them? Moving on to the next leadership principle is hire and develop the best. Leaders raise the performance bar with every hire and promotion. They recognize exceptional talent and willingly move them throughout the organization. Leaders develop leaders and take seriously their role in coaching others. We work on behalf of people to invent the mechanism for development like career choice. Amazon wants every new hire to raise the bar. Interviewers will want to see that you seek to hire people smarter than you. You should also show you enjoy coaching younger colleagues and know how to get the most out of top performers. This leadership principle is typically discussed in interviews for very senior engineering positions that involves people management or building a team. Tell me about your most significant accomplishment. Why was it significant? So the questions that you can expect are: tell me about a time you provided feedback that was helpful to a peer. Tell me about a time you hired or worked with people smarter than you are. Tell me about a time you stepped in to help a struggling teammate. Who is your best employee or resource and what makes them the best? So these were some of the questions based on hire and develop the best. Moving on to the next principle, which is fragility. Accomplish more with less. Constraint breed resourcefulness, self-sufficiency and inventions. There are no extra points for growing headcount, budget size or fixed expense. Amazon strives to provide customers with as much value as for as little cost as possible. Interviewers will be looking for how you can support this idea while maintaining a constant drive for innovation. Tell me about a time you successfully delivered a project without a budget or resources. Tell me about the last time you figured out a way to keep an approach simple or to save on expenses. So basically you have to be very strong on budgeting. So how you are going to handle that scenarios. So when managing a budget, what are some of ways you can get more out of less? So the next leadership principle is learn and be curious. Leaders are never done learning and always seek to improve themselves. They are curious about new possibilities and act to explore them. Amazon demands constant improvement in every part of their business. You'll want to show that you are interested in learning new things and exploring new ideas that can be applied to the job. Some examples listed here are general interview questions, but they provide a perfect opportunity for you to address this principle. So the question can be: tell me about the time you taught yourself a skill, or tell me about something you learned that made you better at your job. Tell me about your biggest career failure and what you learned from it. The next leadership principle is insist on highest standards. Leaders have relentlessly high standards. Many people may think these standards are unreasonably high. Leaders are continuously raising the bar and drive their teams to deliver high quality products, services and processes. Leaders ensure that defects do not get sent down the line and that problems are fixed so they stay fixed. At Amazon, rarely is anything deemed good enough. They'd like to see how you have pushed yourself to reach standards that were difficult to meet and how you will continue to do so in the future. So the questions that can be asked on these principles are: tell me about the most successful project you have done. Tell me about a project that you wish you had done better and how would you do it differently that you have done today. Tell me a time that a goal was hard to achieve. What did you learn from that experience? How would you improve this project on your resume if you had more time? So basically the project that you have mentioned on your resume, how would you improve this if you had more time to complete this project? Moving on to the next leadership principle, which is earn trust. Leaders listen attentively, speak candidly, and treat others respectfully. They are vocally self-critical, even when doing so is awkward or embarrassing. Leaders do not believe their or their team's body odor smell of perfume. They benchmark themselves and their teams against the best. The key part of this principle that candidates often miss is vocally self-critical detail. Amazon wants its employees to focus on fixing mistakes instead of figuring out who to blame. You'll want to show that you can take actions when something is wrong and acknowledge your own faults before resorting to blame others. Tell me a piece of difficult feedback you received and how you handled it. How do you earn trust with the team? A co-worker constantly arrives late to a recurring meeting. What would you do in that case? So you have to answer all these questions. Again, please prepare real life examples if possible for all the questions or based on every leadership principle. Next leadership principle is strive to be the earth's best employer. Leaders work every day to create a safer, more productive, higher performing, more diverse and more just work environment. They lead with empathy, have fun at work and make it easy for others to have fun. Leaders ask themselves, are my fellow employees growing? Are they empowered? Are they ready for what's next? Leaders have a vision for and commitment to their employees' personal success, whether that be at Amazon or elsewhere. Like the principle, hire and develop the best. This is more likely to come up in the interviews for senior or managerial positions. In this case, you'll want to show that you'll not only boost your team, but also create a safe, diverse and just work environment. Essentially, if hire and develop the best means picking and training a top team, being Earth's best employer means keeping the team safe, enriched and engaged once you have got them. So the questions that can be asked on these principles are, tell me about a time that you went above and beyond for an employee. Tell me about a time you saw an issue that would negatively impact your team. How did you deal with it? How do you manage a low performer in the team? How do you identify a good performer in the team and help in their career growth? Let's see the last leadership principle, which is success and scale bring broad responsibility. We started in a garage, but we are not there anymore. We are big. We impact the world and we are far from perfect. We must be humble and thoughtful about even the secondary effects of our actions. Our local communities, planets and future generations need us to be better every day. We must begin each day with determination to make better, do better and be better for our customers, our employees, our partners and the world at large. And we must end every day knowing we can do even more tomorrow. Leaders create more than they consume and always leave things better than how they found them. Amazon wants its employees to understand that the responsibility of working for a vast, impactful company. Show how you measure the impact of your decisions both in your workspace and in the world around you. Example is sustainability, justice, etc. Tell me about a time when you made a decision which impacted the team or the company. So the questions that are being usually asked in this leadership principle are very broad. You have to cover very broad spectrum for answering this question, and the example should also be very rigid for giving the real life example that you are going to give for this should be very strong to prove your answer. Okay, so the next question that can be asked is, tell me about a decision that you made about your work and your regret now. Tell me about a time when you failed to do the right thing. So all these questions answer has to be answered very properly. So with this we have covered all the leadership principles that are generally being asked in your Amazon behavioral interview, and I hope you might have got some information from this video, and if this video has helped you in some way, please give it a like and share it amongst your friends and colleagues. Also, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe it for more such interview related stuff. Thanks for watching and all the best for your upcoming interview.